Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in this one I'm going to be showing you how you can download Instagram Reels on Instagram. So I'm going to be showing you two ways in case the first option does not work, but the most obvious way is to download the true Instagram Reels. I mean, that's literally what the point of the video is. So let's go to our Instagram and then let's find a video that we want to download. Let me just turn off the audio because I don't want to be listening to that. So let's say we want to download this video. What you just need to do is to click on the share button, which is this airplane, paper plane, and then you scroll a bit to the right until you find download. You just click on that download and then it will start downloading, and once it's done you can just see it that it's been added to your gallery, just like that. So it's that simple. Another thing you can do is to go back there to share, then click on copy link, and you can go to a website like this one, Instagram Reels download. Just paste the link here, then click on download, and then it will appear down here. Of course you're gonna go through some ads. You have to wait for it to, as you can see, this is the video that we downloaded earlier. We just click on download, close the ads that pop up till we get the link. You need to be careful not to keep pressing the wrong buttons, because like you might end up with into like a wrong website. Click download, and as you can see, it will start downloading the file, play the video, and it's exactly what we have. It also has the audio, I think. As you can see, it's that simple. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.